Hey guys, man, y'all are right. This outdoor stuff is awesome. Whew. I'm doing a nature walk myself. And I'm getting a little exhausted out here because it's, I need to find me a beer. I gotta get me a beer. Let's see. Here's one, we got one. Woo! All right, mercy. All right. It's good to get outdoor and do a little nature walk and enjoy the trees. And woo, it's hot out here, but it feels good. Yeah, you guys, I like where y'all are going with this. I need to be more like you guys and start, goddamn, I'm a little lost here. Cooling off and getting some vitamin D from all this sun. So, yeah, it's really nice. Oh my goodness. But really looking forward to going and seeing you guys next week and maybe do some tubing and rafting and stuff and hopefully we'll float down. Hopefully I'll be able to float down. Man, I'm out of breath here. Oh, bitch. Woo! Man, a lot of wilderness. Y'all hear the birds? Listen, shh. Listen to the birds. What? What? I can't hear you. Okay, oh, wait. Hold on. Oh shit. Lost my hat. What are you doing? Nothing? Huh? What are you talking about? Where are you going? Oh, yeah, okay, so I wasn't really in the wilderness. You guys got me, okay, whatever. But still, I still got a little sun out there. Anyway, looking forward to seeing you guys. Talk to y'all soon, bye.